Hello everyone, this is Kuldeep from Gestisoft. Welcome to a new video on Business Central for warehouse management. Today I'm going to show you how you can create bin contents for items in your warehouse. So first we're going to start with a list of a location here in Business Central. Now you can easily access this list by clicking on the search bar up here and looking for locations. So once you've got your list of location, I'm going to select one of them. So right now I'm selecting the East warehouse. Then I'm going to click on location and we are going to go into the zones. And so here you can see the different zones based on the East warehouse. So you can see we've got different codes and the description as well as the zone ranking. So here again, you're going to select one of them to move forward. I'm going to select the bulk zone and we are going to then click on bins. And this is now going to show you a list of bins based on that specific zone in the East warehouse location. And as you can see right now, I've got two bins. Obviously, I can have more than that. And you can also see other information that has been added for each of the bins, whether they require any special equipment, what is the maximum weight, maximum cubage, the bin ranking, and so on. All of that I covered in another video. The link will be in the description down below, so make sure to check that video out. So here again, we are going to select a specific bin. So I'm going to select the first one, and then we are going to click on contents. And you will see this is where we can add the content for that specific bin that we want. So for instance, let's just say for that bin, we want to add an item. You can see here we've got the item number, and you can also click on the arrow next to it to browse into your items list. So let's say I'm just going to put this item here, and you can also indicate if this is a fixed bin, a default, or a dedicated bin. So for right now, I'm just going to select a fixed bin. Now, if you want more information to be visible in that section here, what you can also do is you can click on the settings up here and click on personalize. And you will see here you've got the option to add other fields. And when you click on that, you will see on your right, you've got a list of different columns that you can then decide to put here in your current view. So for instance, if you want to put in the block movement, you can just take it and drag it to put it here. You can also put any other information that you might think is necessary, like the maximum quantity, the minimum quantity, the peak quantity, and so on. So right now, I'm just going to leave it like it is, and you can do so on your own Business Central platform. And once you've done all of the changes that you are happy with, you can click on Done up here, and you will see now the new column has been added. Now, again, if you want to add any other item, you can go ahead and click on the next line, and again, click on the item number here and select from your list, or if you already know the code, you can go ahead and input the code. So you can then add the item number, and again, you can indicate whether it is a fixed, default, or dedicated bin. And this is how you go about adding the different bin contents for warehouse management. And that was it. Very quick video just to show you how you can add bin contents for items in the warehouse with Business Central. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.